Norman Tiotuico is a Kapampangan language and an indigenous script, also known as Kulitan advocate, whose love for his language matches his love for his art. And it's amazing to see how he merges both.
Pinag-aralan kay Kapampangan not only by language, but also get ang script. Lawe po in Kulitan niya pining Kapampangan art, basically. From then on, yatang time ito, likas ko nga tanga balok yung eskwela, yung fine art, yung pongkay. Leko ko nga at may gumpisa ako kayong panibayo, may gumpisa ako kayong Kulitan.
One of the deviant artists in Angeles City, he is a painter, installation, and visual artist who mounted his famous art Kapampangan in the Cultural Center of the Philippines in 2003. Kapampangan is a Kapampangan word for the belief system, and this takes visual form in his work. Tiotuico's concept is that the world is filled with ideas and everybody is influenced or being influenced by these. One of his artworks, Kamulatan, may be found at the main building of Holy Angel University.
Kasi, keng konteksto na ning obra po, ta mag-conceptualize kang obra, mumuna itang content ba itang form. Itang purpose pa mo, itang damla na pa mo nitang obra, ba yung may conceptualize na ni itsura.
He has won numerous awards and was a recipient of the Most Outstanding Kapampangan for Arts and Culture citation in 2008.
Mumunan dili, once na pinili mong maging artist ka, itang word na ika, ma-disintegrate siya. Kaya bining environment mo, kaya bining culture mo, kaya bining itang philosophy mo na pwede mong share ka rin tao. Dapat sasalamin niya nung nanong maging pangatao mo po, nanong kaya kang penibatan.
We will meet an art educator who is also an artist when My City, My SM, My Art returns.